Ever thought about learning something new without ever leaving your house? Today, we're talking about taking online courses, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to pick one, stick with it, and actually finish.
Okay, I'll admit it. I've started like 3 online courses and never finished any of them.
You're definitely not alone. A lot of people sign up for a course full of excitement, and then life gets busy.
So, how do people actually make it work?
Well, first, let's talk about how these courses are usually built. Most of them use something called a curriculum. That's just the full plan of what you'll learn, step by step, from beginning to end.
Okay, so it's like a map for the whole course.
Exactly, and inside that curriculum, the content is usually broken into smaller pieces called modules. A module is just one chunk of lessons focused on a single topic, like week 1 might cover the basics and week 2 builds on that.
That makes it feel less scary. You're not staring at one giant mountain, you're climbing it one small hill at a time.
Right, and here's something people love about online learning. Most courses are self-paced. That means you don't have to show up at a certain time, you just move through the material whenever it fits your schedule.
Wait, so there's no set class time at all?
For a lot of platforms, no. You could study at 6 in the morning or 11 at night, whatever works for you.
Okay, but doesn't that make it easier to just not do it?
That's the tricky part. When nobody's checking on you, you need accountability. That just means having something or someone that keeps you responsible for actually finishing what you started.
So, like a study buddy or a deadline you set for yourself.
Exactly. Some people join a group chat with other students, some tell a friend their goals out loud, some even put reminders on their calendar. The point is, you build in a reason to keep going.
That's smart. I think that's honestly why my past courses failed. Nobody was checking if I finished.
It happens to everyone. Here's a tip too. Before you enroll in anything, meaning before you officially sign up and pay, it helps to catch up on a few reviews first. See what past students say about the course.
Catch up on reviews, so like read through what other people experienced before committing.
Exactly right.
Okay, I think I'm getting the picture. Should we try this out for real?
Let's do it. I'll play an experienced online student, and you play someone who's thinking about signing up for their first course. Ready?
Ready. Hey, so I've been wanting to learn graphic design, but I don't even know where to start looking.
Honestly, the first step is just to enroll in something small. Don't jump into a huge program right away. Try a short course first and see how you like learning this way.
Okay, that sounds less scary. But how do I know if a course is actually good before I pay for it?
Good question. Always check the curriculum first. Does it actually cover what you want to learn in an order that makes sense?
Got it. And what if I fall behind? I'm worried I'll lose motivation halfway through.
That's exactly why accountability matters so much. Tell a friend you're doing it, or find a small online community for the course. It keeps you honest.
That actually helps a lot. I think I might catch up on some reviews tonight and pick one to start this weekend.
There you go. That's the whole idea. Small steps, one module at a time.
And scene. Okay, that felt really real. I could actually picture myself doing that.
Did you notice how naturally we used enroll, curriculum, and accountability in there? That's exactly how you'd hear them used in real life.
I did. It didn't feel like vocabulary at all. It just felt like a normal conversation.
That's the goal. Okay, let's pull it all together before we test you.
So, courses are built around a curriculum, broken into modules, and most are self-paced, which is great for flexibility, but means you need real accountability to finish.
And before you enroll, it's smart to catch up on reviews so you know what you're actually signing up for.
Honestly, I feel like I could hit the books tonight and actually stick with it this time.
See, now you're using the language like a pro. Hitting the books just means starting to study seriously.
Let's see what stuck. A quick check.
What do we call the full learning plan of an online course, from start to finish? What's the word for one small section of lessons focused on a single topic within a course? If a course lets you study whenever you want, without fixed class times, what is it called? What word describes having something or someone that keeps you responsible for finishing your course? Emma said she wanted to catch up on something before signing up for a course. Catch up on what? Reviews from other students who already took the course.
That's it for today's lesson on taking online courses.
Thanks so much for watching and learning with us.
This is Alex.
And I'm Emma.
If this helped you, go ahead and subscribe or follow so you don't miss the next one.
And drop the score you got in the practice down in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did.
Keep practicing your English every single day, even in small pieces.
See you in the next one.